It's busy.
Hey.
Place is sold out. Yeah. Crystal Springs, East Brunswick, New Jersey.
So, Adam. Oh, gee. Okay. Okay.
Making sure your tea breaks to cool off on deck in the machine. Restroom facilities are located.
On a day like today, this park is only open from 12 till 6. It was $30 a person to get in. There's a little splash pad area over there for little kids. Little baby slides over here for little kids as well. There's a little pool, a little family pool, a little bigger pool back there. Apparently snacks and water can be purchased in this area. We haven't checked that out yet. We will.
I'm going to bring you guys underwater. So, have fun. Was that fun, guys? I'm gonna go under now. That's Dominic. He has his big life jacket on. He's full ready. That's Anya.
What are you doing with this place?
It's alright. I think it's good. Very busy.
Very busy today, right?
Yeah.
4th of July weekend, I guess everybody's out. Beautiful day.
I want to go in the big pool.
You want to go in the big pool? We'll go in the big pool. You're a rock star? What's your favorite part of this park?
I want to go in the
slides are pretty cool.
I want to go in the rock sand pool.
Yeah. There are 3 slides behind those trees over there. And the camera over there.
Spiders.
There were a lot of, like the jumping spiders, they're like everywhere, right?
I don't want.
The black ones with the white spots, the jumping spiders, they're like everywhere. Yeah, I've never seen them before, and like this year they're everywhere.
And what about red spider?
There was a red spider too. We couldn't figure out what that was.
I don't know what's the name.
I don't know. Do you think it's worth being here for $30 a person? I think the season pass for the family is like $500.
$500 a year.
Yeah, so then maybe that would be worth it if you came a couple of times.
Can we go in the big pool?
Yeah, we can go to big pool. This is the big pool on a busy day. Where'd you go? Huh? Where'd you leave me? Alright. The best slide. Hi Anya. Hi Adam. Hi Natalie.